opening bell as we get the final trading day in the week up and running. Welcome everyone to Frontier Opening Bell. I am Bosun Amafai House. The markets finished off on Thursday as we head to the weekend. The Nigerian market rebound 1.05% on Thursday. The BRVM down by 0.5%. Egypt had its final trading day of the week up by 0.8%. 2.7% better, much stronger for the markets in Nairobi, but the GSE fell 1.21%. Let's go into what's making the headlines as we go into the start today's trading day, which is a Friday, and of course we'll get into the weekend. Kenya is opening a new chancery to boost trade relations with Switzerland. And the Central Bank of Kenya says private sector lending at a 5-year high, 10.8% better, 3.26 trillion shillings in the month of March, while GTC Kenya is set to become a regional commercial hub. Rwanda says it's pumping about $150 million into private sector post-COVID response. Rwanda is not letting down its guards as far as taming the COVID pandemic within the country. And AutoCheck has expanded into North Africa and is buying Morocco's K-File Auto. That's part of the cross-border business deal that we just saw in the current week. Let's get into Nigerian market. The World Bank is offering $30 billion to support the global food security in response to the Russia-Ukraine crisis. And Airtel's smart card payment bank has started operations in Nigeria, as well as MTN mobile money payment service bank as well. And Abzone says it gets a switching license from the Central Bank of Nigeria, while Nigeria's Federal Cabinet has approved 169.7 billion naira for road construction under a tax credit scheme with the private sector. Ghana is looking at its interest rate decision. The IEA is proposing a hike in MPC to about 19%, while Morocco's insurer AFMA has bought an Ivorian company, ACR. That's also another cross-border intra-Africa business partnership. Let's get the Southern Africa in with the South African Central Bank, Leseja Kegyango, yesterday announcing a 50 basis points hike by the Central Bank in South Africa to 4.75%. Investec says its full year net income grew 31.3% as profit surges 91%. In retail business, Massmart is reporting total group sales fell 0.2% to 30.4 billion rand in the month of May, while Angola is revising its growth forecast to 2.7% this year. That's coming from the government in Luanda. And Zimbabwe has resumed petrol blending in order to reduce the rising cost of petrol at the pumps. Let's get North Africa into EBRD, the European Bank for Reconstruction and Development, is giving $25 million in SMEs financing deal to the Export Development Bank of Egypt, while the governor of the central bank in Cairo says his policies has been able to cut non-performing loans of banks to about 3.5% last December. And the Central Bank of Egypt is looking at funds that will be negotiated with the IMF, says will be limited and will not be a burden on the country's fiscal space. And Tijari Wafa Bank in Morocco is reporting the first quarter net income of 21.2% growth to about roughly 2 billion dirhams. And Total Energies is looking to install solar power plant for state-run electricity company, and that is part of your North African brief this Friday. Have a great weekend, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now. You can watch this show again on all our social media platforms, on our YouTube, Frontier Africa Reports. You can subscribe, it's free. And of course, you can go online at www.frontierafricareports.com. You can read our stories and watch all our other shows as well. Bye for now, and see you on Monday.